Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VSCode, the SQL extension, and your database credentials. Open your project folder now and create a SQL file to begin. Once done, install the MS SQL or relevant extension and sign into your database using the extension connection dialog. Make sure to save a named connection profile so you can reuse it. This first action gets you from idle to connected quickly and sets the stage for writing queries. You now connect and begin to run queries. Open the connection pane, pick your saved profile, and start a live session. Once connected, write SQL in the editor, highlight only the statement you want, and execute it so you avoid accidental runs. Results appear in a grid. Click column headers to sort, then export to CSV or JSON if you need to share. Also use IntelliSense and snippets to speed up complex joins or stored procedure calls. They reduce errors and save time. You finish by validating changes, wrap critical edits in transactions, test with small datasets, and commit when results match expectations. Make sure to format SQL and run explain plans to confirm performance. Save query history to reproduce steps later. If something fails, start troubleshooting by checking the connection string, firewall rules, and extension output logs in VSCode. If errors persist, restart the extension host and reconnect. That often clears cached credential or socket issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.